Real roads, real rage, real shocks. Welcome to DashCam Fails.
Welcome back to DashCam Fails, where real roads meet real chaos. Today's video is not just entertainment, it's a hard reality check. From unexpected U-turns to full-blown road rage, what you're about to see isn't fiction, it's real life caught on dash cams around the world. It starts like any ordinary drive, until someone decides the red light doesn't apply to them. One of the most common types of dashcam footage, sudden left turns right in front of moving traffic. Drivers forget they're not alone on the road. And here's the worst part. It's never just one mistake. It's a chain of bad decisions. Distracted driving, no signal, speeding, and boom, impact. Remember, roads aren't just lines of paint. They're rules of life and death. Now, let's talk about road rage, the ugliest part of driving. Some people just snap. One honk and it's like a war has started. We've got clips of people jumping out of their cars, throwing punches, swinging helmets, even attacking with objects.
There's more things we can talk about. One is how many giant undiscovered oil fields
to go look for oil, then what they find from also they'll spend say $10 billion looking for oil and they only find $8 billion worth.
Fuck.
There really aren't. I mean, we may find an occasional field, but from also they'll spend say $10 billion looking for oil and they only find $8 billion worth.
Fuck.
There really aren't. I mean,
But here's the thing. Aggression only makes things worse. You lose your cool, you lose control. And that's when lives are at stake. The road isn't the place to prove who's right. It's a place to survive and get home safe. And then there are moments you simply can't explain. Like the guy driving backwards on a highway, or the biker who forgot he was on two wheels and tried to outrun traffic like a movie scene. These aren't just fails. They're moments that make you pause and ask, what were they thinking? 1 second of stupidity can lead to years of regret. And that's why dash cams are more than just gadgets. They're witnesses. They tell the story when no one else can. Every clip you're watching carries a lesson. Slow down before a turn. Keep distance. Don't trust that someone else is paying attention. Because sometimes it's not about your mistake. It's about surviving someone else's. You can be the best driver in the world and still get caught in someone else's chaos. So always stay alert. Expect the unexpected. And most importantly, keep your ego out of the driver's seat.
Wow.